Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the OnePlus 11. Super stoked to share the reviewing process with all of you. Huge shout out to OnePlus for getting us out this new smartphone that is the successor to the OnePlus 10 Pro. Wow, that is nice. Embossed. That is really, really nice. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna flick out the old blade there and try to show off twice. All right. Bam! Let's check out and see what's in here. Yeah, I'm not gonna get in there, man. These unboxings just aren't what they used to be. There's the cable. That should be USB Type-C, oh, to USB-A, okay. And you got your wall charger, very nice. We'll leave that in there, and let's see that I put that in the wrong way. There we go. This is the Eternal Green, and that is beautiful. 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Now, I actually wanted to bring in the black, what is that, volcanic, and I accidentally ordered this one in, but now I'm glad I did. This is just gorgeous. Look at those Hasselblad cameras. Everything chiseled to perfection. Man, I got to get a closer look on that. Wow. That is just beautiful. There's your slider there and your power button. That's all on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, you got your volume rocker. I love that OnePlus separates the power button and the volume rocker. In my opinion, more companies need to do that. I'm going to power on. See how much juice I got. Now up top, there's a mic. And right here, I'm going to have to assume, I could be wrong, IR blaster. Let me know if I'm wrong down below in the comment section. Speaker, USB Type-C charging port, mic, and SIM tray. The corners, got a little bit of a curve going on there, and then it flattens out. Same thing up top. Wow, that is nice. Hello. Now the reviewing process begins, but I need to know from all of you what you would like to see from me during the process of reviewing this device. I'm obviously going to challenge it up against the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It'll go up against the OnePlus 7 Pro. But yeah, I will do my best to get to what I can. I always have the areas that I like to get to during the reviewing process. But I do honor requests. So we'll see how all of that goes. Definitely going to be taking a lot of pictures and shooting a lot of video. I'm still waiting on a case. Got some case companies sending me cases for review. I ordered one from Amazon, and screen protector wise, does it have one on here? There is a screen protector on there. Right there, you can see there on that front facing camera. So that's nice. So I don't know if I have, let me see, where is that? Yeah, I don't think it's going to work, but I have a OnePlus 10 Pro case here, but I think that's going to get in the way. sure it'll fit in there. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Well, I don't know, maybe. Well, that might have to do. I'll be right back. I'm going to set up the OnePlus 11, and we'll get the fingerprint reader going. And so give me a quick second. All right, we are all set up. The fingerprint reader, fast. Look at that. Wow. That is really fast. OnePlus, in my opinion, has the fastest fingerprint readers. Wow. So let me show you how fast the S23 Ultra is. Fingerprint reader. I don't know which is faster, man. Bam. I don't know. I still think, in my opinion, OnePlus does it that much better. Now, I know for a lot of you, the OnePlus 6 Pro, you had some issues with the fingerprint reader. I didn't, but there was a little bit of a delay. But with the OnePlus 7 Pro, that's just freaking fast. Look at that. I don't know. All right, what I'm going to do is go through and test all the fingerprint readers on these devices really quick, and you can let me know which one looks to be the fastest. I don't know, man. They all work great. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. Okay, really quick, I wanted to do a size and design comparison with my other two OnePlus devices, the OnePlus 9 Pro, the OnePlus 10 Pro, and let's do a height comparison. They're pretty darn close. Maybe the 11 is just a tad bit taller. The camera area, obviously, a lot different, more of a rectangular portrait mode design here with the OnePlus 9 Pro. I see that camera setup as just being bold over here. Obviously, there's a lot of sexiness going on here with that circular design. You got the Hasselblad brand name there on top, in between all of those cameras. You have the Hasselblad brand name right in the center of that circular design. As far as the width, the OnePlus 11 being a little bit wider, about the same thickness up top. The 11 has a flat top. The 9 Pro, little curve there, curve at the bottom, flat on the 11. All right. The 10 Pro, about the same height. That's a pretty sexy camera there. I would say that's bold and sexy at the same time. This one over here, though, man, it's not bold. It's just, yeah. I don't know if I have the whistle right now because my mouth is kind of dry, but it definitely gets the whistle. Yeah, there it is. As far as the width, the 11, a little bit wider. And those cameras, that circular design coming way out there. As far as the 10 Pro, not so much. Can't really see it from that side, but right here you can see protruding out just a tad bit. Same as the 9 Pro. You can probably see it better right here like that. But man, on the 11. You can see the shine, the shimmer, the glimmer. Those coming out a little bit more. All right, now I wanted to do a speaker test. So I found out that that wasn't an IR blaster. That's the speaker, folks. So for those of you that wanted that to be an IR blaster, it's not. There's the mic. And that is loud. That is really loud, and it sounds great. All right, everybody, that's it. Any questions? Leave that in the comment section. Any requests? Leave it in the comment section. I just want to say thank you for being part of the team. Hopefully you're subscribed. If you're not, do that. Hit the notification bell. Share the videos on your social media with your friends and family. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. And stay tuned for a lot more of the OnePlus 11. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous device. And with that, God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.